In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide certain sections of your Squarespace website on mobile only. Now, you may be faced with a scenario where things look all great on your desktop version of your website, but you may want to go ahead and hide a certain section on your mobile version for one reason or another. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to actually hide this section 2 of our website on the mobile version of it. So as you can see at the moment, we can see it. We're going to go ahead and hide it. Now, currently in Squarespace, there isn't actually a function where you can go ahead and click on this and there's a toggle to hide it on certain screen resolutions. So we're going to have to take a couple of steps on how to do this. The good job though, it's really simple to do. So the first step that we're going to need to do, if you haven't got this downloaded already, we're going to need to go over to the Chrome Web Store and download the Squarespace ID Finder. Now, the one that I recommend is this top one, which is by Will Myers. Go ahead and click on it. It's completely free, and we're going to want to click Add to Chrome. I've already done it, which is why it says Remove from Chrome here. And what you're going to do is see this come into the top part of your extensions tab up here. If you can't see it, you just click on this extensions thing and then click pin so you can see it at all times. Now the next step is you actually want to go back to your Squarespace website, and this time you want to go over to Pages. You're going to want to come down to Website Tools, and then you're going to want to click Custom CSS. And basically from here, you're going to want to paste this custom piece of code in. Don't worry, I'm going to leave it in the description down below for you to go and copy so you don't make any mistakes. But essentially what you're seeing here is what is called a media query. And basically all this is doing is telling the CSS of your website that for any screen that has a max width of 640px, we're not going to display anything. But what we actually need to do is tell it what section we actually want to execute this on. So what we actually need to do is go over to our Squarespace ID Finder, and we're going to want to click on it, and that's going to bring up all of the different block IDs and section IDs of your website. Now, the one area that we wanted to hide was this section 2. So what we're going to want to do is go up to the section selector right here, and we're going to want to left click on that, and that's going to copy it to our clipboard straight away. And then basically from there, in between this bracket and this bracket, we're going to want to go ahead and paste our section ID. And what you can notice is that it has automatically hidden that section ID from our website on mobile form. So if we actually go ahead and save this and go back to our desktop version, we can see that we've got, and we'll just click off our extension here so we can see things clearly. We can see that section 1 is displaying just fine, and section 2 is displaying just fine. But when we go over to the mobile version of our website, we can see that section 1 is displaying, but we no longer have a section 2. And that is basically how you can hide certain elements on your Squarespace website for mobile only. Hope this video helped. Drop a like if it did, and I will see you in the next one.